What is up, guys? Welcome to part 2 of our solar robot series. So now, we are going to build the first variant of our solar robot, which is the TURTLEBOT. So here is our sample. Let's get started. So in order for us to build the TURTLEBOT, these are all the parts that we need. This is the start of using our base bot model. So if you don't know how to build the base model, you can check the link in the description below. Feel free to pause the video so that you can see what parts are needed. And also, all of these parts are in our manual book. It is on page 16. So without further ado, let's get started. So for the last part, you are going to put the head of our TURTLEBOT. And tada! Say hi to our TURTLEBOT. I hope you enjoy watching our tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on our next tutorial.